y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and here we are entering the last few weeks of summer, so I thought why not make an end of summer scroll saw video. I have a pattern here I think you guys will like. It's a mother dolphin and a daughter dolphin, or mother and son dolphin, ever how you want to proclaim it. It's on a base. It uses little dowel rods here to make it look like the dolphins are jumping through the water like they do out in the ocean. But I thought this would be a nice little simple project to put together here for an end of summer scroll saw video. So let me get the pattern attached to the wood and we'll get started. All of the cutting is done on this project now. There's just one thing left to do, and that is to drill the holes in the dolphins to mount them on the dowel rods that's connected to the base. The pattern will have a cutting guide to let you know how long to make your 1/8 inch dowel rods. All that's left to do is to drill this 1/8 inch hole to mount the dolphin to the base. However, that's going to be a little tricky to drill in a drill press because of the fin. It's wanting to do this number, and it'll be kind of hard to hold it and drop the drill press down on it to drill the hole. So I've come up with this idea on the smaller dolphin. I've already drawn the mark where the hole is supposed to go right here. I just got 2 spring clamps, and basically it's going to hold it, and I'm basically going to hold it and slowly drill into it, and hopefully this will keep it nice and steady and somewhat level. But after I drill the 2 holes, it'll be time to do some sanding and then assembly. And I think I'm just going to assemble this project with hot glue, because the dolphins are more or less just going to sit on this and sit up on a shelf. It's not going to be no load bearing piece or nothing like that, so I think hot glue will do. But let's head to the drill press. completed dolphin sculpture. Think it turned out real nice. 360 look at it. I used 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch material, and also some short pieces of 1/8 inch dowel for this project. I think it turned out real good. All that's left to do is add some form of clear coat, stain it, or just leave it natural. This would make a great gift for anyone who loves the ocean or just loves dolphins. This is available as a free pattern download at Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website. Fairly simple project to make. The hardest part was drilling the holes in the dolphin. The base was easy because that was flat, but drilling the holes in the dolphins, flipping them upside down, and lining that drill bit up, these spring clamps really helped to line that up and help me guide the drill bit into the dolphin the right way. But I think that turned out real good. I hope all you guys enjoy the rest of your summer 2018. Fall is right around the corner. We'll soon be seeing pumpkin spice everything pop up in stores. But remember guys, if I can make it, you can make it. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for future content. Take care, and as always, God bless.